Hello, I am from CodeSpeedy and welcome to our new Tkinter video tutorial series. Till the last 5 years, I have been writing tutorials on CodeSpeedy on Python and other programming languages. But for Tkinter, a video series will help you to understand the fundamentals in a better approach. This tutorial series is going to be a bit different from most of the other tutorial series available on YouTube. We'll start with the very basics, and then when you get a good grip on how to do this and how to do that using Tkinter, then only we will move to the next part, which is building GUI apps using Tkinter. So at first you need to understand what is GUI and what is Tkinter. So Tkinter is nothing but a library already given by Python, so you don't have to install it on your environment or on your machine separately. It is pre-installed and it comes along with the Python that is installed on your machine, or you can install the latest Python version or Python 3.7 that will also give you the Tkinter along with it. So for an example, I am just running this Tkinter program. You can see this is a simple game using Tkinter. You can click on this to play the game. So it allows you, this program is the similar programs that you have built in Python, but at that time when you run the program, the output was shown in the console, but this time this is not showing in the console. You can directly run it, and it will allow you to interact with the components, with the buttons of this window. So this is something like a graphical user interface where you will be able to, or the user who is running your program will be able to interact with the interface that is graphically designed. So this will be quite interesting for the new programmers who are learning programming for fun. And as CodeSpeedy is an IT organization, you will also get to know what kind of real world projects are and how to complete a project from scratch. In this series, we are going to take you from the very basics of Tkinter all the way to building your own fully functional GUI application. Whether you are completely new to GUI programming or just looking to brush up your skills, this series is designed for you. So you can have a good grip on this. But you have to stick to this tutorial series so that you don't miss any videos. And we'll start by covering the fundamental concepts of Tkinter, including creating windows, adding widgets, and handling user inputs, so that you can build any application. We can also build music player, video player. We can build application like Excel, WordPad, Notepad, anything. Throughout the series, I'll be giving you practice challenges to help you get an idea on what you have learned and ensure you are ready to take on real world projects. These challenges are a great way to test your understanding and apply your skills. So whenever I will give you a test, at first try to complete that by yourself. If you can't complete that, you can move on to the next video, and in the next video I will be showing you how to do that. Okay, so that's for today. I hope this series will be interesting and you will stick to CodeSpeedy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it will motivate us to create more videos like this in the future. Have a great day.